test on the solar furnace. It's about 35 degrees out right now. It's kind of hard to see this little flip doesn't. I guess you can kind of see that. About 35 degrees. What I'm going to do is plug it in. I don't have any ductwork or anything. Run into it. I'm just testing it just to see what kind of heat we're going to get out of it on a 35-degree day. Okay, I just turned it on. So yeah, it's right about a little below, probably about 34 degrees out. And we're getting about, that's not too bad, about 71 degrees coming out. There's not real high airflow. I think I need maybe a little bit of a fan, even if I'm going to sacrifice a couple 2, 3, 5 degrees, maybe. Probably be worth it, but not too bad. Both of these thermometers were identically matched or calibrated right before. So I don't know if you can see that too well. It's a little over 70. And this is the in the sun temperature, which is about 34 degrees. That's not too bad. Should be at least able to. It's only an 8x8 little fort, 6-foot ceilings. That should be more than enough to heat that. Just moved that out a little bit. It was getting a little bit of a shadow on it. But for 11:30 in the afternoon, I mean, the skies are pretty clear. The sun doesn't feel real warm, but it's doing the trick, man. Alright, the box is starting to warm up. It's painted black, so it's pretty close to 40. On top of the box, we're at about 78 degrees. Took the other thermometer out of the sun. It's actually probably about 32 degrees in the shade. We got about 78 degrees coming out. It's pretty warm. Not bad for a sunny winter day. The box itself is getting pretty warm, so works even in the winter. So, and the whole thing cost me about $21 to build it. So, if I can get free heat for anything, I guess that's worth it. And this is what it'll be heating. The solar fort project. It's not insulated, rugged. But just a small little fort for Megan. It's got a little upstairs, so I mean everything's not sealed off yet. But that should be interesting to see, once I drill the holes in the wall and get the ductwork working in here, just how warm we can keep this place. So, my plan is to insulate it eventually, but that's a project for another day. Okay, so I guess that's about it. About 32 degrees, air coming in, just about 79 degrees coming out. But important to note that that's outside air coming in. When it's hooked up to the fort, it'll be recirculating the air from inside the fort, so it'll be recirculating the warmer air. During the summertime when I did the test on this, I think I had 80 degrees in, 160 degrees out, so I think that'll pretty much be what we need for that little fort. Probably have to open the window and let some hot air out.